Good morning, good day. I hope all of us in a good condition now. In this occasion, first of all, I say thanks to my honorable lecturer, Mr. Kamar Sipayung, gives us a chance to present our material today. Topic is Color Theory Translation in 1979. Secondly, let me introduce ourselves. We're from the 12th group. My name is Eva Fitrianti Siregar. I'm sitting in 5th semester, and my friends.
Hello, I'm Ires Salita Bruginting, register number 181200088. I'm as a second speaker in this video.
Introduce myself. My name is Afrianti Papahan.
Alright, we are from the 12th group. We will explain to you color theory translation. In this theory, we will explain 5 types. The first one is denotative equivalent. The second is connotative equivalent. The third is text normative equivalent. The fourth is pragmatic or dynamic equivalent. And the last one is formal equivalent. Let me explain to you the first and the second types. The first type is denotative equivalent. It is the one which the SL or search language and the TL target language words refers to the same thing in the real world. It means that the translation is exactly the same as the existing text. For the example, a cat, a book, she's beautiful, he is handsome, and etc. Or in bahasa, denotative equivalent merupakan terjemahan langsung dari teks tersebut. Contohnya tadi, a cat berarti seekor kucing, and etc. Let's move to the next. Alright, the second type is connotative equivalent. Connotative equivalent, this is related to lexical choices, especially for near synonym. It's mean that appear translation, but the idea is the same. Or in bahasa, ini merupakan terjemahan bebas tapi mengandung ide yang sama or pengertian yang sama, maksud yang sama. In this type, I divide into 3 that common we found in daily activity. The first one is connotative of speech level. It is about slang. For example is couch potato, or in bahasa disebut pengangguran, crap or omong kosong, and the third is big guns or orang kuat. And the second type is connotative of social determined use. It is for student language. For example, incredible, amazing, absolutely, definitely, etc. And the third type is connotative of geographical relation or origin. In here, we can see from American English, Australian English, British English. For example, in bahasa hotel, but in American English say hotel is apartment, but in Australian and British say flat. And the other example is liburan. In American English say vacation, but in Australian English and British English say holiday. Jadi ini in connotative equivalent ini merupakan terjemahan bebas, tapi pengertiannya sama, idenya sama.
Okay, I want to continue to explain the third and the fourth point of color statement in the translation equivalence. The third point is normative equivalence. The normative equivalence is relate to parallel text in the target of language, or in the other words, it aim of the following the norm and pattern required by its text or its language in variety of communicative situations, or in simple meaning, the normative equivalent is related to text type specific features or text and language norms given text types. For example, Dear Anne, faithfully yours. And the fourth is pragmatic equivalence. Pragmatic equivalence is oriented toward the receiver of the text or message and try to create a given effect on the TL receivers in the same way the source language does on the source language receivers. The SL and the TL words have the same on the readers, also called communicative equivalence. For example, one sentence, it's cold in here, or in bahasa artinya di sini dingin atau dingin di sini. Okay, will be continued by my friends. Thank you.
In my topic, formal equivalence. Focus of the form of the text. Read them first from special stylistic forms of expression. In syntax and lexis wordplay metaphor, particularly used in translation of poems, scopes, age. 3. Also collects expression equivalence. Example: we're a smile, one signs first all. Read the following translation version of a poem and quiz of Indonesian name. I love you, you add this love by chance. Inside my soul has never fully vanished, no longer shall it ever make your tense. I want to sudden you with anguish. I love you specifically and weirdly, by mostly and jealousy was traced as good permit my love you sent someone else. Thank you for